Okay, guys, we will be checking out these two strategies on these two assets together and see how to go about it and make a reasonable profitable trades from there. Okay, so we'll be checking out FX volume 80 and of course FX 60. Okay, FX volume 60. Okay, we'll be checking out these two assets together. But before I go fully into it, okay, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the contents you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so like I said earlier on, we will be checking out these two assets together, but if you have any question, kindly drop your question for me in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay, so now let's go back into what we are saying. Okay, so this is FX volume 80. I'm on 15 minutes time frame. This happened to be the last support zone, the last major support zone, and it went up and of course was unable to break out from there. So it went on downtrend and came back. You can see here is a pullback, okay, and of course it went back up to see if it can try out the resistance region. However, it didn't get to this particular resistance region, but it got to this particular one and it was unable to break out from there. Okay, so you can see the movement right from there. First of all, right from here, okay, till it got to this resistance zone, then it came down from there, guys. It came down from there and of course got to this region and went back up again. Okay, and just follow the pattern, and if you should notice, this is giving us the M vibe. So the last M is going to be a strong sell. Okay, naturally I would have expected to get to the last support region. Okay, however, just like I always tell you, it can always break out below the support region. In this situation, it broke out below the major support region, and of course it has gotten to this region. Here is another support zone. Okay, and of course if it breaks out below it, it only means it's going to sell more. Okay, but if it does not, then we are most likely to have an uptrend around there. Okay, but we should wait for the necessary signals before we jump into it. Okay, so if you had come in around here using, following the trading tool or the indicator on the chart, okay, we got some self signals around here. If you had come in around here, got to this region, went back up again, and of course give us another sell signal around here. So this will have given you two major orders in the market, and here should be the third one, and you should have milked the market successfully. Now let's move on to FX volume 60. This is FX volume 60. If you should notice, it is also giving us the same vibes, but the um other way around. Okay, so you can see this gave us a sell signal, got to this support region, was unable to break out from there. It went back up, had a little pullback around there, but went back up again, and of course this time around it came down. Okay, so I decided to draw this trend line. Okay, let me delete this so that we get to see what I'm trying to picture out right from here. You can see this trend line, guys. You can see this trend line. Okay, if it gets there, okay, and it breaks out below it, definitely it's going to sell more and will likely get to this particular horizontal line. But if it does not break out below this, then it should go back up, and this time around we expect it to get to this particular spot. Okay, so it's going to buy at that particular point. If it does not break out from here, okay, then it's going to buy, and we expect it to get to this region. And if it breaks out from here, then it's going to buy more and may likely get to this particular spot also. And if it breaks out from here, then we should expect it around this region. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, this is a good opportunity for each and every one of us again, because if you should notice, this will be giving us the W vibes. Okay, came down till it got to this region, and of course went back up again right from there till it goes to this region, and of course it's coming down at the moment. Okay, if it gets to this region and is unable to break out from this trend line, then definitely it will push back up. But if it breaks out below it, then we expect it to get to the horizontal line. Okay, and of course, remember this is the support region. If it breaks out below this, it will sell more. But if it does not, it's going back up. So it is either it pulls back into an uptrend from this, or from this trend line, or it breaks out from there and gets to this support region and it now pulls up right from there. And of course, once that happens, um it's going to shoot up and may likely get to this region, and if it breaks out above it, it will target this, and if it breaks out above this, then definitely it will target this. Okay, so this is a huge opportunity for each and every one of us. I will advise you all to take advantage of this strategy. Okay, go back to your chart. If you're having this trading indicator, set it up on 15-minute time frame, and this particular asset is FX volume 60, and check it out on your own and see if what I am trying to point out here is real or not. Okay, so and of course you can take advantage of the opportunity right from there. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family, and do not forget um give me a beautiful comment down there in the comment section. You can also join the Telegram channel because there are a lot of activities that will be going on within the Telegram channel. We had a little break, but right now we are resuming back fully. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.